All right, so now for this one, it says a baseball on the moon and an identical baseball on Earth are thrown vertically upwards with an initial velocity of 24 meters per second. So I'm gonna, this is Earth. And I don't know what color we'll make the moon light blue. Here's the moon. And so we're going to have a ball that goes up in the air. Same ball. Okay. And it says they have the initial velocity. So my initial velocity here, is 24 meters per second. Over here it's 24. It says how much longer will it take for the ball to return to its starting height? The acceleration on the moon is 1/6 that of Earth. So we're going to use the same equation for both. This one is going to be, we've got to find the time. So remember, to find the time, we said V equals V naught minus G times T. We're going to do the same thing over here for the moon. V equals V naught minus G. Oh wait, it's not minus G. It's minus G divided by 6 over here, right? Because it's 1/6 that of Earth. And so what this does is the time to fall to the Earth is the same amount of time it is to reach the maximum height. So if I want to figure out what this is, then I have to just figure out the maximum height. You guys don't know that, but I know that. So whatever the max is in both cases, well, what's the final velocity at the max height? 0 meters per second. And then, of course, we know that G is 9.8 meters per second. All right, try to crank through this real quick. We only have 3 minutes. This is going to be, final velocity is 0. My initial velocity is 24 minus 9.8 times T. I'm going to subtract 24 from both sides. And I get negative 24 is equal to negative 9.8 times T. Divide both sides by negative 9.8. Okay. Is that hard to see? Let me do this. Sorry. So then my time on Earth, if I do the math, actually it's 2 times whatever this time is, but it doesn't matter. What is it? Let me think about this. This is how much longer will it take. So whatever this time is, we're going to have to multiply it by 2, right? Because it takes that time to come up and that time to come down. So I end up with 24. I got to clear all this out. 24 divided by 9.8. So then my time for the maximum height is 2.45 Yeah. 2.45. And then when you multiply that by 2, my total time then for Earth would be 4.9 seconds. So that's the first one. Now for the moon, I'm going to try to crank through this in 1 minute. I've got 0 is equal to 24 minus 9.8 divided by 6. I get negative 24 divided by 9.8 over 6 equals t. Okay? Does that make sense? So on my calculator, I'm going to say 9.8. So I got to clear some stuff out. I'm going to say 9.8 divided by 6. Okay, that's 1.63 repeating. So now I'm going to say, whoops. Well, let's clear all this out. 24 divided by 1.633333, and I get that. We'll multiply that by 2. So I get about 29.4 seconds total. So I ran out of time there. Does that make sense? Then you subtract the 2, and that's how you find the difference. So it'd be about 24.5. Have a good day.